Okay, doing another endgame puzzle. So we can take here, but the king will take, and we can't march this pawn forward. The king will catch it. So I suspect the answer has to do with blocking the king out, shouldering it, in other words. So if we go king here, he's going to go here, which he can't obviously, because then he can't catch its pawn. So if we go here, I guess he has to take the pawn, after which we take back. Then he can go king f4, and I don't have this pawn to take anymore. So I guess at that point, king to d6. He's going to grab this pawn, and then I go king to e3, e6, sorry. But then he gets this pawn to start moving, which I'm not that sure about. So calculating again, um, king to c5, pawn takes pawn. That point I have to take back. So pawn takes pawn, king to f4, king to d6, king takes g4, king e3. Um, let's assume king to h4 there. King takes f6 and then g4. Then let's say king e3 or e6, sorry. Then we have f3, f6, f2, f7, and he promotes first while keeping a hold on the f8 square. So clearly that won't work, and I think all the moves are forced there. So really the only other option we have is like king to d3. So if I go king d3, he still can't go here. So we take, he takes, or he takes, then we take. But I don't see the point. King to f4, and I can't really help this pawn, and this king is too far away to do anything now. So king c5 seems like the only viable option mostly. I still don't think it's pawn takes pawn, or actually it might be. Okay, wait, let's calculate this. Pawn takes pawn, king takes pawn. Now after that, what if king to d5? Yeah, that should win because like then he has to either play like king to f4, after which we can march this pawn forward, or like if he tries g4, we just take. So I guess that's the answer. Yeah. So king to d5 here, and he has very limited moves here. Obviously, he only has like two moves. So this move, and now we take, obviously. All right, cool.